Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to change battery in Acura Mdx Key Fob 2022, updated. Begin by removing the mechanical key, then use a small flathead screwdriver to lift the fob seam. Carefully separate the halves without forcing plastic clips. Remove the old CR 2032 battery and note its orientation. Install the new CR 2032 with the plus side up test buttons. Then reassemble until clips click and the key fob works. In this video, I will show how to change battery in Acura Mdx Key Fob 2022, updated. Start by gathering a CR 2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver for prying. Lay a soft cloth on your workspace to catch tiny parts and protect the fob finish. Keep the vehicle within range to test lock, unlock, and remote start after replacement. This keeps troubleshooting quick and confirms successful installation before reassembling. In this video, I will show how to change battery in Acura Mdx Key Fob 2022, updated. First, remove the mechanical key by sliding the release and pulling it out. Gently insert the flathead at the seam and work around until halves separate. Note battery orientation, remove the old CR 2032 and install the new one. Test all buttons and reassemble carefully until you hear the clips click and remote functions respond normally.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.